Ready to breathe life into your very own AI companion on Talkie Soulful AI? Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your Talkie app and spot the Create Character button, usually a plus sign or clearly labeled. Give it a tap to kickstart your character's journey. Now you're in the character creation zone. You'll see options to customize everything, from their name and appearance to their unique personality and background story. Let's start with a name. Think something catchy and memorable, reflecting the vibe you want your AI to have. Type it into the name field. Time for a makeover. Explore the appearance options. Choose a hairstyle, clothing, and even eye color to design a character that looks just the way you imagined. Now, let's sculpt their personality. Carefully select the traits that define your AI companion. Are they kind, funny, serious, or maybe a bit quirky? Give your character depth by crafting a compelling background story. This is where you can define their past, motivations, and what makes them tick. Take one last look at your creation. Does everything look perfect? If so, hit that save or create button, and just like that, your AI companion is ready to chat.